Understanding CSS Linear Gradients. Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is a style sheet language used for designing the layout and look of web pages. CSS offers a feature called Linear Gradient, which allows to produce a gradient effect that smoothly transitions from one color to another. How to create a basic CSS linear gradient. To create a basic CSS linear gradient, use the Linear Gradient function. Syntax: background image, linear grade direction, color stop 1, color stop 2. Direction is an optional parameter that specifies the direction of the gradient. Color stop is a parameter that specifies the colors you want to render smoothly in your gradient. Example: body background in linear gradient to right, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Using angles in CSS linear gradients, angles can be used to specify the direction of the gradient. Example: body brown image, linear gradient 90 deg, red, yellow. Tips and tricks with common errors. One common error is forgetting to specify a direction or using an incorrect value. Another common error is not including enough color stops. At least 2 color stops should be specified for a gradient effect to occur. The order of colors in your gradient matters. Creating a transparent gradient. You can create a transparent gradient by using the RGBA function for your color stops. Example: body background near gradient to right, RGBA of 500, RGBA of 001. Conclusion: CSS linear gradients are a powerful tool for web designers. They can add complexity and visual interest to your designs that is not achievable with flat colors.